2012, when Bajaj introduced the newest member to the Pulsar family, the NS200.
लेकिन ये तो 2025 है ना, अभी तक इसके बारे में बात क्यों कर रहे हैं?
यही तो सवाल है, क्यों? वही सेम लुक्स, सेम पुरानी 200cc लिक्विड कूल्ड TTSI इंजन, सेम ओल्ड फीलिंग.
क्या बोला तूने?
Neither aggressive nor upright. Excellent comfortable sitting posture. Lightweight and shorter wheelbase की वजह से excellent in the corners. Top-notch maneuvering capability and more than enough power.
तो नया क्या है इसमें?
Increment of stability due to USD forks at front. Smooth and better suspension at the rear. Really appreciable improvement of braking with the dual channel ABS and the calipers from Grimeca. All LED headlamp. Sorry, वो बेकार है. Fully digital instrument cluster with Bluetooth connectivity. Slip and assist clutch with quite appreciable gear shifting experience. Superb smooth highway cruising experience even at higher speed. Moreover, exciting.
पर भाई ये सवाल किया किसने?